Hello everyone. In this video tutorial, I will guide you on how to change your nickname on Facebook. It's actually quite simple, so make sure you watch until the end to avoid missing any important steps. First, log into your Facebook account. Once you're in, tap on the settings icon at the top of the screen. This will open a new menu, and from there, select the See More in the Account Center. After that, you'll see a new interface. Click on Profiles. Now, select the profile where you want to add or change the nickname. Once the profile menu opens, click on the name option at the top, then scroll down and tap on Manage Other Names. This will bring up a section where you can enter your nickname. After entering your nickname, make sure to enable the option to Show at the top of Profile. Once that's done, click Save. To confirm, go back to your profile. You'll now see your nickname displayed at the top. And that's how you can successfully change and display a nickname on Facebook. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. See you in the next video.